Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Brainy Bubbles. Before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Today's video is very interesting. It's called Sink or Float. Comment down your answers. What do you think? Coins will sink or float? Coins will sink because coins are small but heavy for their size. What do you think? Grapes will sink or float? Grapes will sink because grapes are small and dense, so they usually go to the bottom. What do you think? Wood plank will sink or float? Wood plank will float because wood is less dense than water, so it floats. What do you think? Rock will sink or float? Rock will sink because rocks are usually heavy and dense. What do you think? Crayons will sink or float? Crayons will sink because crayons are dense and don't have enough air to float. What do you think? Beach ball will sink or float? Ball will float because beach balls are full of air, making him super floaty. What do you think? Glass bottle will sink or float? Glass bottle will sink because it is heavy to float. What do you think? Feather will sink or float? Feathers will float because feathers are super light and full of air. What do you think? Sponge will sink or float? Sponges are tricky. They float with air, but when water fills their holes, they sink. What do you think? Metal spoon will sink or float? Spoon will sink because metal is much heavier than plastic. What do you think? Paper boat will sink or float? Boat will float because paper is light enough to float. What do you think? Plastic toy will sink or float? Toy will float because plastic toys are usually hollow or light enough to float. What do you think? Plastic toy will sink or float? Leaf will float because leaves are light and often have air inside. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something new today. Please like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel.